Three important things observed in the first 45 minutes between Arsenal and Liverpool. Arsenal today, the 31st of August, faced Liverpool at Anfield in the Premier League match day week 3. Three important things are quite observed in the first 45 minutes. Firstly, is that Arsenal really need to recruit a lot of wingers because the absence of Bukayo Saka clearly indicates that Arsenal really need more wingers. Why did I say Arsenal need more wingers? Yes, we know that Arsenal recently signed Eberechi Eze, but in the situation whereby Eberechi Eze may get another injury, there will be quite a lot of problem for Arsenal because honestly speaking, Martinelli at the left wing, it was highly disappointing for Arsenal attacking today. And the second thing that was observed today in this match between Arsenal, and Liverpool, despite Arsenal's lack of real attack, honestly speaking, Arsenal looked more threatening in the 18-yard box. Honestly speaking, Liverpool were quite, disappointing today. The performance was not outstanding. Liverpool midfield was so porous, honestly speaking, and Arsenal dominated Liverpool in the midfield. Zubimendi, Declan Rice, and Moreno all were outstanding in this first 45 minutes. And going into the second half, it will be, if Liverpool did not reinforce their midfield, it's going to be a disaster for Liverpool. Most especially when Eberechi Eze and he came into the game, and if he comes into the game and he decides to turn up, it's going to be a disaster for Liverpool because Arsenal look more threatening in the 18-yard box, and Liverpool attack has disappeared. And the third important thing that was observed in this game, it was Arsenal defense. Arsenal defense looks so solid. It looks so. I don't even know. I like the word to describe Arsenal defense. Honestly speaking, they were so outstanding. Despite Liverpool attacking threat, despite Liverpool having more attack, but the defense looks so solid. But this, all these three things that I mentioned, it will be a credit to Arsenal midfield because if they are in the absence of Arsenal midfield, if Liverpool were able to break Arsenal midfield, despite this solidity of the Arsenal defense, it's going to be a hectic situation for Arsenal. But there are a lot of credit for Arsenal midfield. They look so solid. They were so outstanding. The performance was nice, and they contributed a lot for Arsenal attacking threat. Despite the lack of real attack, Arsenal look more threatening in the Liverpool 18-yard. They have more shot on target, even more shot off target. Arsenal, Liverpool will only have I think one chance or two chance at Arsenal, attacking defensive half. So guys, Arsenal, as I mentioned earlier, Arsenal need to recruit more wingers because Martinelli and Noni Madueke, despite the fact that Madueke in this match is one of the players that look more outstanding even in the attack. He was one that even was shining. Gyökeres and Martinelli was nowhere to be found. But Arsenal still need to recruit. Yeah, we know there's Eberechi Eze, but in the situation where Eberechi Eze get an injury, it's going to be a serious problem for Arsenal. So let's see what Arteta is going to do before this transfer window closed tomorrow.